Solve 9x cube minus 67x minus 42 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x term. What I mean is, see, 9x cube in place of minus 67x. Now I write minus 49x minus 18x minus 42 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is x. From this x out you get 9x square minus from this x out you get 49. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 6. From this minus 6 out you get 3x. Now here we get plus 7 equal to 0. Now this quadratic I will simplify it here. That is 9x square minus 49 equal to, in place of 9, now I write 3 square x square minus, in place of 49, now I write 7 square. So 3 square x square is nothing but 3x whole square minus 7 square. Now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a we have 3x, in place of b 7. So we get 3x minus 7 times 3x plus 7. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes x times 3x minus 7, 3x plus 7, and this no change. Next, from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 3x plus 7. So 3x plus 7 outside. Over here we are left with these two, that is x times 3x minus 7, and over here we are left with minus 6 equal to 0. Now 3x plus 7. You open up the brackets, you get 3x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will factorize it here, that is 3x square minus 7x minus 6. To factorize this, we should split the middle term minus 7x. So in place of minus 7x, now I write minus 9x plus 2x minus 6. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 3x. From this 3x out you get x minus, from this 3x out you get 3. Now whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this x gone inside, so outside you get plus 2. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out x minus 3 common. So here we have 3x and here plus 2. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 3x plus 7. In place of this one, x minus 3, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. More, here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 3x plus 7 equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, I should remove plus 7, so subtract 7. So we get 3x equal to minus 7. Now we should remove 3, so divide by 3. We get x equal to minus 7 by 3. Now here, I should remove minus 3, so add 3. We get x equal to 3. Now here, I should remove plus 2, so subtract 2. We get 3x equal to minus 2. Now I should remove 3, so divide by 3. We get x equal to minus 2 by 3. So the x values that we got are minus 7 by 3, 3 and minus 2 by 3. This is our answer.